heading out for another ride, 2024. Probably my second ride for the year. Good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Mahaneet here, and as usual, you're watching my channel. Beautiful summer morning, you can see. It's not actual summer, but it's kind of in between. In gaya aapka. Welcome to Agumbe. Right now we are staying at the Agumbe town, about a couple of kilometers from Agumbe town, and the Ghats is just down from the town. We're going to go there in a bit. Well, stay tuned as we explore around Agumbe. And my two-step advice for you guys today would be explore new places, travel. Life is short. You carry only memories. There's no point of buying tons of things. You can't carry anything back when the time is up. Well, hope you like my ride to Agumbe. We just reached our property here at Agumbe. This is the Malnad homestay, a small little property amidst nature, just on the outskirts of Agumbe town. Well, we're going to explore a few places around Agumbe right now. A couple of waterfalls and of course the sunset, the famous Agumbe sunset viewpoint. Agumbe Prema Sanjaya, that's what you're going to see today. Stay tuned, people, as we explore the Western Ghats here at Agumbe. My ride for today, the KTM 390 Adventure. Beautiful bike today, she felt on the road. Enjoyed my ride. This is the place we're staying, Malnad homestay here in Agumbe. Small and nice place. Hello, we are right now at Agumbe. This is the waterfall we're going to. Come on, let's go check it out. A lot of noises from the forest. You can hear the waterfall. This is called Jogigunda waterfall. Jogigunda. So, nobody's there. It's just us. The time right now it's I think 5 p.m. Quite scary. There are a lot of king cobras. Around here. Highest king cobras. The highest king cobras in Karnataka is right here in Agumbe. This is Jogigunda waterfalls here in Agumbe. Beautiful serene place. Nobody comes here. It's absolutely secluded and quiet. Do check out my link to this place below in the description box. Stay tuned as we explore more of Agumbe. Well, that is Jogigunda waterfall. We're heading back to the main road right now. It's about a kilometer of trek. Beautiful place for trekking if you like trekking.